Hi guys, so today I'm doing a watch me work video, but before I get into all this stuff, I do want to mention that my online course is now available. A couple people have been asking me about it, and I do have it listed down below in my description tab, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm only selling it for $35, and the reason why is because I am charging you guys what I would normally charge for a plain full set. But I'm telling you guys, this course is going to help you save so much money if you're doing your own nails. And if you're doing clients' nails, it's going to make you a lot of money because you're going to be doing things the correct way. Well, my way, which I feel like is a pretty solid way. But anyway, so yeah, make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. And yeah, I'm going to just voice over a little bit of this just because I feel like it's all pretty repetitive, my process and things like that. If you guys want a full in-depth description, explanation of what I'm doing, I definitely recommend you guys checking out my course. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So as you guys saw, I fully soaked off the nails for maybe about 10 minutes in hot acetone, and then I'm just going to grab this cuticle pusher and scrape everything off. The reason why I changed up my removal process is because I find it's a lot faster soaking your nails in hot acetone, and I've gotten these little I don't know, finger bathtubs, I don't know what to call them, and they're actually pretty useful, and this is now my new system for removing gel polish or gel nails. So now I'm going to push back the cuticle. This client was here about a week and a half ago, so her cuticles aren't that bad. I'm just going to push back what I can. The other reason why I like to have the nails dipped in acetone is because it really dries out the skin, and this kind of makes it easier for you to lift up the cuticle and cut off any of the dead skin that's there. I'm going to go in with my cuticle bit just to help me get up some of that cuticle, and then after that I'm just going to grab my nippers and then cut off the dead skin. So now I'm going to rough up the area with my sanding band, and as you guys can see in this next nail, there is still some gel X stuck on there. So the only thing I'm going to do is just really file that down to be flush to the natural nail. There's no need to remove every single last bit of gel off the nail just because you're going to end up putting it back on. And if you're using sculpted nails, it's a good idea to have a little bit more gel on there. That way, one, you don't burn the client, and two, you don't use as much product trying to fill in the space from the sculpted curve of the nail. If that makes sense, I hope you guys get what I'm saying. If not, never mind. So now for the main attraction, I'm going in with Roxy from Ombre, and this is the Colored Extend Gel. This is a new line, and I absolutely love it. I use this stuff as extend gel, and I also use it as structured manicures, and it's been so amazing. I love this stuff, and it cures really easy, really fast, and it's been really good. So I'm just gonna apply it like I do any other extend gel or base gel. Same exact thing. This client wanted to shorten her nails, so I had to cut them down a little bit, and then I'm just gonna file them up to get them in the right, this is like stiletto almond shape. She didn't want them too short because she has little brothers at home, so we kind of rounded out the tip, and it's just a really pretty short almond stiletto nail. I think shaping is something that a lot of people struggle with. All I can really say, it's just like you have to have an eye for keeping the nails identical. That's the only thing I could say, is because, you know, no matter how much you try, if you can't see the nails and how, you know, how you have to make them even to each other, then I don't know. Shaping's not that difficult for me because I can just look at the nails and tell which nails I need to shape up a little bit more and which are fine. So when it comes to shaping, it can be a little bit difficult if you don't have an eye for having symmetrical nails. So now we're going to go in with the design, and we're just going to airbrush some black ombre onto this nail. So I'm going to grab a base gel because I want to have a sticky layer for the gel to stick to, the air gel to stick to. I'm going to apply this to all nails and then cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with my airbrush, and this is just like a generic airbrush from Amazon. I'll try to list it down below. Then I'm going in with Ombre air gel in the color black. I'm just going to spray it on the tip of the nail and then kind of spray a little bit at a time, kind of going up the nail, just so that we can get that nice gradient effect. So this client wanted the black to be a little bit shiny, not so much glittery, but like shiny, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to apply this pigment to this sticky layer, and then I'm going to brush it upwards just so that it blends and is nicely ombreed, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just going to finish off with a top coat, and that is the end of this nail look. I hope you guys like it. It's perfect for Halloween, so if you need any more Halloween ideas, here is a nice spooky black ombre. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!